look what we have here. 1969 Chevrolet Corvette, convertible, and yes, this is a true Le Mans blue car. It is a 976 paint code, black leather interior, should be 402 for the trim. So this is correct color, interior, exterior. White top, vinyl top, it's in nice shape. We get to the end of this video, I'm gonna pop that up before we go and let you take a look at that too. 427 underneath the hood is numbers matching. You can check that out in the still pictures. See the stamping on the engine. 4-speed manual transmission paired with it, power steering, power brakes. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726. This car has been with the previous owner for 20 plus years, like 23 to 25 years. Is a little older restoration paint on it, but as you can see, chrome, very nice in this car in the front bumper. Now you do have a few little spots where you've had a little touch up along the lines, as far as just little paint chips that have been touched up. So you can tell it's been well taken care of, has had an owner that respected the car, enjoyed it, and wanted to keep it looking beautiful. See up and down the sides of it, not full of nicks, dings, or scratches. Are you going to find a few spots where, yes, the blue paint has been touched up a little bit? But overall, very nice looking car. Again, black bucket seats, leather interior. Does have an aftermarket cassette AM/FM radio in it, but you can see it's a 4-speed. These, of course, would be a manual top. Goes up and down very easily. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. This vehicle also may be eligible for an extended service contract, so consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. A couple notes on this car I wanted to let you know about. It does have 2 new headlight actuators. Headlights do work. We're going to pop that up, or pop them up when we start the car up, let you hear it run. The wiper door, in-op. Wipers and wiper door were in-op. Seller chose to have this car represented that way and sold, so just want to let you know about that. Again, a true Le Mans blue car, 427 matching numbers, 4-speed manual transmission, riding on the ever popular Corvette rally style wheels with beauty rings, center caps, BF Goodrich radials. All right, let's go ahead, fire this thing up. You can hear it run. Slip down in here. There we go. This one is a little cold-blooded. I haven't had it running for a little while either. It's doing the pictures. There is a choke down here. Get that set just about right, and it should idle nicely for us. Gauge cluster. I did notice the oil pressure is fine. Battery looks like, gauge looks like it works. Clock is in-op. I'm assuming the water temp will come up as the temperature rises. And again, did mention the wipers in-op. Lights dash in nice shape. All right, let's slip out to the rear of this so you can hear it run, and then I want to pop that hood. Nice little rumble out of that 427. Guys, listen to that. All right, I'm going to pause this a second. I want to pop this hood and see how it looks underneath there. Check out that big block. All right, got the hood popped. Again, 427, 390 horse, smooth running engine, power steering, power brakes. Around to the other side. Oh, one thing I wanted to show you also. All right, I was going to pop those headlights up so when I walk around here, you can see them coming up. There you go, already up. The vacuum system sometimes takes a little bit. Looks like they're working good. Slip around to this side for you. So there you go. Let me get that top up. I want to show you what condition the top's in. So I'm going to go ahead and button this up, shut it off since we're indoors here, close up the headlights. But we'll get that top up so you can check that out quick too here at the end of the video. All right, got the hood back down, top up. Now, if you're not familiar with how to put these up and down, it's very simple. One person can do it. I did it by myself. It takes all of about 40 seconds. A couple levers, a couple latches. Just got to know what order to do it in. If you have any questions, let us know. I'll be happy to help you with that. Like I said, white in color, also in nice shape. Obviously has been replaced along the line, probably back sometime when it was repainted. The restoration work was done to it, but it does not show, I mean, hardly any discoloration. I don't see any holes, rips, or tears. That rear window is not discolored. It's also in nice shape, not cracked or anything. And it fits nice and tight. Everything latches up good. So there you go. Get a shot to see the top on this beautiful Le Mans blue, original color. 1969 Corvette with a 427 numbers matching engine underneath the hood. 4-speed manual transmission. Give us a call. 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right to our website. Once again, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.